My name is Patrick Gestin from Dourtes, and I will present you the 2019 vintage of Château Raoul, our estate in Graves. The history of Château Raoul began in the second half of the 17th century when the Knight Guillaume Raoul built this very charming chateau and gave it its name. Today, the vineyard extends to 35 hectares, mostly located in Portets, in the heart of the Graves area. The estate produces mostly a red wine, but also a white wine, which in the past made the reputation of the estate. As far as the white wine is concerned, the specificity of Château Raoul is the high percentage of Sémillon, from 60 to 70% depending the vintage, the rest being the white Sauvignon. The grapes are harvested by hand. The vinification takes place in barrels. In 1 year barrels, we don't use new oak because we don't want the wood to dominate the fruit. For the same reason, the aging lasts only 6 months, not to bring too much wood. As far as the 2019 vintage, we must say that it is a top vintage for the dry white wine. It is probably the best Raoul we have produced in wine. The wine is very fresh. The acidity is very good. The perfume is a mix of white flowers, white fruit like peach, pears, brought by the Sémillon, and all the acidity, the freshness, the citrus taste brought by the Sauvignon. The wine is long, complex, and elegant. As far as the red wine is concerned, the red wine is produced on the remaining 31 hectares, mostly with the varietal Merlot, which represents 70% of the blend, the rest being the Cabernet Sauvignon, grown on the best gravel crop. The Raoul Red is not a highly concentrated wine. It's a wine which is more on the finesse, on the delicatesse, on the elegance. The 2019 vintage is well balanced with a very, very nice fruit. The location in the south of Bordeaux brought a warmer climate, which helps the Merlot grape to deliver a very, very nice and charming fruit. The wine has a lot of charm, good balance, and is very delicate.